Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Ivan, and if you're seeing my video for the first time, please go ahead and make a subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you don't be missing out on the video that I'll be posting. So today I will just take you through Google Translate. Google Translate, this is an application or app in Google that allows you to translate the language that actually it allows you to understand the language that you don't know. So it can translate, maybe if you speak Chinese and there are some words written in English and you want to understand that word in Chinese, you can easily translate those words into Chinese so that you are able to understand. So Google Translate, this allows you to understand the language that you don't understand or you don't know. So let me go ahead and show you how you can use Google Translate. So what you do, you go to your Google Chrome, open your Google Chrome. You can either search for it here, or if you want to find it, you come to Google Apps. You tap on the Google Apps and you are able to choose. Actually, you can look for it. Sometimes you find some of these apps they are down, so maybe when you open like this, you will not be able to find it here. So what you do, you scroll down like that and you arrange. You can change the position by dragging it to where you want, so that maybe next time when you want to use it, you can easily find it. So you come and open your Google Translate. When you open your Google Translate, this is how it will show up on your screen, and you can use Google Translate either with a computer or you can use also a phone. So here you can either text something, maybe you want to communicate to someone who speaks Spanish and you know English, maybe you're going to some hotel and you want to order something, but people there speak Spanish. What you can do, you can just come to text and you type here. Maybe you can say, I want tea. You will see it will just translate automatically, and the person who is serving you will just come and read it and will be able to understand that you want this and that. And sometimes if you want to hear the pronunciation, how you can pronounce those words, so that maybe you can, instead of calling the person to come and read it, you can say it yourself. You can tap on listen.
Quiero té.
Yeah, I think you are able to hear that.
Quiero té.
So that's how it works. And you can also upload image. Maybe there are some image whereby having some languages that it contains some languages that you don't understand. You can upload the image and it will be able to translate it for you. And sometimes maybe you are given a document, maybe the document is written in English and maybe you speak Kiswahili. You can come to document, you can upload a document. You go to document, maybe you have saved they have sent the document to your computer and you have saved it in your computer, but it is in a language that you don't understand. So what you do, you go to document like that, then you go and you browse your files, and you search for the document that you want it to be translated. If you have saved the document, you can go ahead and look for the document. After getting the document, you can tap on it to select it. Then you come to open file, and now from there you can now tap on translate. You first have to download the translate so that you are able to see the language. So now here it is downloading, as you can see, and it will be able to translate it to the what is in English, but it will be able to translate it into French. And you can also choose, sometimes you find that maybe you don't speak only English, you speak also other languages like your local language. Google Translate has almost all languages in this world. It contains almost all languages, the local language, the English language, like for example, for me, I speak Luo, can choose Luo, and maybe someone, I want to speak to someone who knows Luganda. The person knows Luganda, can tap on Luganda. Then you come to text, and maybe let us first choose the language. I speak Luo here, and the person talking to or speaking to knows Luganda. So maybe I will say in Luo that Amero, there. That one in English like I want food. Let me just say let me say P, since this area. So in Luganda it is Nentaga Mazi. Someone will just read that and will be able to understand what you want. Maybe you're going to a hotel, maybe you left Gulu and you went to Kampala where people speak Luganda and you want to order for some water, maybe the person, or maybe you want to know how you can ask for water. Just go and type your word in your language, and then you see how it is said in the other language. So this is how you can use Google Translate. It is so simple and easy to use it, and you can use it in almost all countries since it contains almost every languages in the world. So this is just few about Google Translate. Thank you. Subscribe for more videos. See you in the next video. Bye for now.